Why do 80% of furnace issues happen in winter? Because they weren't inspected in fall. Here are 8 crucial reasons why a furnace checkup before winter is a must, especially for the areas around the Bronx. First, ensure safe operation. Detect carbon monoxide leaks and prevent fire hazards. Safety first. Second, improve energy efficiency. Optimize performance and lower your energy bills. Third, extend furnace lifespan. Catch small issues early to avoid costly repairs. Fourth, enhance comfort. Enjoy consistent heating and better air quality. Fifth, avoid costly breakdowns. Early problem detection means fewer emergency calls. Sixth, comply with warranty requirements. Regular maintenance keeps your warranty intact. Seventh, prepare for cold weather. Be winter ready with a reliable furnace. And last, lower environmental impact. An efficient furnace reduces your carbon footprint, so why wait? Contact FT Heating and Cooling today at 917-557-5976 or visit ftheatingandcooling.org. Ensure your furnace is ready to keep you warm all winter long.